So I just got these new mixing bowls and thought I would open them up with you. And we can take a look at what they look like. Just the quality. Okay, cute. Oh, I was surprised at the weight of the box. It feels like pretty heavy. Oh, I'm gonna love these. I can tell already. Okay, I really like this. So we've got a glass lid, which is so great. The whole reason I wanted these was to get away from plastic. And so we've got a silicone lid with glass. This feels just really heavy duty, really nice. More lids. I'll just set those aside since they're all going to be similar. So we can take a look at the bowls. All right. Okay. Okay. Really nice. I'm not sure if you can see it on the video, but inside here are measurements. So you have quarts on the left, liters on the right. Then we have the silicone bottom. I personally really love this color. It's like almost sort of like a taupe color. I use a lot of neutrals in my home, like browns, tans, grays with gold. And I think this is going to go really, really well in my kitchen. These feel solid. I just really want to be able to store food without using plastic, and to have something that doubles as a mixing bowl as well as to be able to store things in it, I think is just brilliant. So it looks like we have 3 lids and 5 bowls. Oh no, there are 5 lids. Sorry. I was thinking, aren't there lids for each one? Those are just at the bottom. So let's get each of these set up and just see what the whole set looks like. Okay, here's our smallest lid. And I think that one goes there. I want to try out the fit and see what that's going to feel like. Like what happens if it topples. Okay. So you really kind of like press it in. It has sort of a cool feeling to that. Let's hold this upside down. The lid's not going anywhere. The silicone definitely helps to hold it in place. You need to give it a pretty good pull to lift that lid off. I think I'm going to be crazy about these. I really like how firm that is once you, like the seal, once you have that in there. It's just, sorry, I've got all this paper in the way. Is that the right one? No, that's too big. I must have this one here. Okay, look at that. All right. Keep seeing myself upside down in the bowls. That's so funny. Okay. Then we have the last one. Look at this gorgeous set. You guys, this is really nice. And each bowl has the measurements. This one obviously has a lot more because it's a really big bowl. So this goes up to, the top measurement is 4.5 quarts in the really big bowl. All of them have the silicone base and the silicone lid with a glass. Pretty sure that's a glass. It's got to be because it's so weighty. This is so gorgeous. This is going to look beautiful in my kitchen. Anyway, I hope this was helpful for you. These are really, really nice.